Okay, as you can see, made some changes to the drawing. Do the easy side. Well, it's all pretty easy, but I haven't really changed anything here. Roll-out trays down here between behind these two doors, a drawer, countertop space, cabinet. This is called a stacked wall cabinet because it has 4 doors, this upper section. This upper section would be prepared for glass. If you want domestic clear glass, I can get that for you. Then we have a cabinet here. I believe this one has pocket doors. It says pocket doors. It sits on the countertop. Now, in order to do this setup, I would want to open up the closet as much as I could. And then after I've opened up the closet, measure again and just so I can get the most amount of cabinets. When I open up the closet, however, it might change the flooring. So we'll have to be conscious of that. But the idea would be to remove some of the wall, which is really right along here, this space, assuming that is a non-load bearing area, and then bring the cabinets to the ceiling with some crown. The dry bar, got wine rack in the center. We can play with these dimensions, but I've changed from 3 drawers to a cabinet with a door and a drawer, door, drawer. That is the primary change I made. There's obviously a thermostat that needs to be relocated, and maybe some light switches and that sort of thing that needs to be thought of and maybe relocated. And then there's a heat coming from the floor, so I'd probably just create a chase inside this cabinet and put a grill of some sort at this toe kick on this cabinet right here. Then we have, I've added back the double ovens. There'll be a drawer at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 doors. These 2 doors would be prepared for glass. Refrigerator has panels on either side of the refrigerator. These two doors would not be prepared for glass because I think it'd look a little funny. Super Lazy Susan in the base. This cabinet, because it's tucked away and it's only 12 inches wide, is going to be 1 door and not prepared for glass. You can hardly see that, so you'd have to kind of. So I think that'll look fine. Under cabinet molding, you can see that detail. Then we have a diagonal wall cabinet with 2 doors. They call these stacked cabinets. 2 doors. Door at the top would be prepared for glass. Same thing. These wall cabinets here. This top section would be prepared for glass. You can see the crown molding going to the ceiling. Oops. This is a base cabinet with a drawer, 2 doors, roll-out trays behind it, dishwasher, sink base. This is looking like a trash pullout. Yes, a double trash pullout. See the 2 trash bins. And then there's a working drawer on top. That's this cabinet right here. Bank of 4 drawers. More stacked cabinets here. This top section prepared for glass. See the under cabinet molding. See the crown molding. 4 drawers. And I think this is just a regular cabinet with roll-out trays in it. 2 of them. With a working drawer on top. Another Super Susan in the corner. Just in case you don't know what that is. That's 2 trays that spin independently and they sit on a fixed shelf. The tray is about 32 inches in diameter, so it's a pretty good sized tray. Then I've got the cooktop. Under the cooktop is, usually I can do 3 drawers. The top drawer is sometimes questionable depending on how deep your cooktop is. But one of the things I can do to the drawer is I can scallop the drawer, which gives the cooktop a little bit more room. Hit OK. Put upper drawer, or I should probably say top drawer, scooped. Yeah, they call it scooped. Scooped. Get that. And I got a bank of 4 drawers next to the cooktop. And as you can see, I've got an open shelf so you can put cookbooks at the end. The island has not changed from prior videos. You've got, on the seating side of the island, you got 12-inch deep storage. Then on the working side of the island, you can get it over there. You have 24-inch deep storage, 3 drawers, 3 drawers. And on either side of the island, wainscoting. Wainscoting. That is the description, what we have in the plan. Let me know if you'd like me to work on a formal price for this, or if you would like to see additional changes.